everyone, welcome to Manny Pagan Travel Channel. If you like travel videos, if you like this type of content, I'm going to ask everyone right now to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that we can push these videos out to the algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Today we are in Catatin. I think it's Catatin, Catatin. I have no idea, guys. So correct me in the comment section, those of you from this area. Again, we're here in Maryland and very close to Gettysburg. We just had a beautiful time in Gettysburg and now we're here in Maryland and we're going to do this hike to see this rock that, well, it's called Chimney Rock Trail. So let's go check it out. There's my wife waiting for me, the stop sign. Let's see what we find. All right, the trail is 1.2 miles long. We've done 0.7 miles already. It's been not that difficult. It is pretty rocky, but
it's a rocky incline.
yeah.
So the rocky incline makes it even harder. If you think incline is hard, climbing rocks while you're inclining is hard.
Yeah, and we probably don't have the correct equipment.
Attire.
Or I mean, the t-shirt's not bad. Maybe jean shorts are not the best. But again, this was very spontaneous. We didn't know we were coming to Maryland. And we had no idea that we're gonna climb this, but just 0.5 left. There's a bench here for those of you that climb all the way to the top. I don't know if there's gonna be any more curvy mountain paths, but I think that we're pretty much solid up here. It'll probably be like a flat surface all the way to Chimney Rock. And I think it's time for watermelon. What do you think?
Here.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some watermelons. Okay, definitely much flatter land here and less rocks. So if you want to climb this one, so far from what I've seen, I think you need to weather the storm when you're coming up and you will have times of rest. It's very nice here. Okay, another incline. It's a short one though. I think we might be here. Or close. That way. There's a sign there that says Chimney Rock. So let's see.
Why'd you run over here?
So this is Chimney Rock. To get to this point, you're gonna have to run and jump.
You might get it.
You might get boo-boos.
Oh, is that what you already got? Yeah. But that
She'll make it. Try to get a drone shot for you guys, but it's completely restricted in this area, so couldn't get it, but at least we got to see this beautiful view. So it was worth the hike. Hike wasn't that bad. That doesn't look so good.
What? It's a little cut. The blood is making it look so much worse.
All right, guys. So it really wasn't that challenging. I mean, you know, for those of you that are not used to it, yeah, you are going to be tired when you get up there. But it's very doable. You won't take more than 30 minutes to get up. And as long as you have a fast pace, if you keep stopping, then yeah, it'll take longer. But it was pretty good. When we jumped over, I got stuck out there in the other island of rocks because I was scared to jump back up. My wife did it and made me look like a little wussy. But it's okay. You know, for us taller people, when we look at heights, it's worse for us than it is for shorter people. Let me just put it like that. Okay, we see it to another level of height. So that's the only issue when it comes to this stuff. But after like 20 minutes of me thinking about losing my life and what will become of my beautiful wife and my little family, then I finally, they advised me to do it a different way, to actually step like on a rock and just like stretch out my leg, and my wife grabbed my hand and pulled me over. So thank you, my love, for saving my life.
No problem.
Over and over again.
I'll charge you later.
Now, something that I do when I hike is that when we're coming down, you know, obviously you're gonna find people that are coming up and they're gonna be pretty upset. So what I do is when I come down and I see somebody coming up, I tell my wife, hey, you know, next time you want to bring me somewhere, make sure you bring me to somewhere challenging. And there was this guy that actually got mad at my comment, and he turned around and he's like, hey, listen, buddy, just want to let you know that you're going the wrong way. You know, there's another side to this park. It's going up. Why don't you turn around? So, you know, it seems like he was pretty offended by that comment, but you know, it was all fun, all right? So, hey, buddy, if you are seeing this video, I'm just going to let you know that, hey, listen, forgive me, I'm playing, okay? I'm playing. You know, you gotta have some fun, especially when there's adversity. But that's it. We're continuing the path, going down. Going down is much easier.